all together, and what do you get?
This week on Put It All Together, I'll show you how to build a fire pit you can enjoy all year round. And for under $121 in materials, let's get started. I started building my fire pit with my brother in the summer. Let me be the first to tell you, it was no cakewalk. First, we had to mark the area, clear the spot, and level it. We put plastic down as a barrier to minimize the blades of grass appearing through the rocks we later laid down. The easiest part about all of this was picking out which bricks to use. At this point, I was like, yes, I can see the light. It's coming together. Add your chairs and just kidding, it's still not complete. That's right. You need a sign. Who comes in and say, hey, mess me up a little bit more, I want to buy it? Okay, so I definitely like this piece. I purchased the most beat up wood I could find at Home Depot, and at 70% off, they had a new home. All in all, the materials needed for my sign came out to be less than $20. Score, considering I wouldn't be able to buy a sign of this size for $20. Let's go back to the beginning when I told you I started this project in the summer. It's now winter in Florida, and it is freezing out here. No worries. A little paint here, some writing there, and we're done. Place your sign and voila, your own little haven you can enjoy year-round. For more pictures and videos, be sure to check me out at Rhonda Undu on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe.